Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss about finding equation of the graph sketching given vertex and y-intercept. This will be the continuation of my video in the part 1. You may take a look at the part 1 before you see this video if you haven't. Okay, so first I will remind you about the vertex form. Okay, in this case, we can take directly the vertex coordinate, which is h, comma k. This h, this k, yeah. Note that in this case, the form is x minus h, then you get the h directly. Okay, now, for example, you have the for example, you have the given two graphs, okay? And you want to find the equation of the following graph. Like what I said, we will definitely begin from the vertex form. Now, either the question is asking us to find the standard form or the vertex form like this. Okay, we can still begin with the vertex form. All right? Okay, so let's take a look at the first graph. Now, given the vertex is 2, 0, right? If the vertex is 2, 0, then the equation of the quadratic equation is a x minus h, in this case 2, 0, so x minus 2 in the bracket square plus k, which is 0, plus 0, which is no need, yeah? And after that, we know that it passing through the y-intercept. Okay, so 0, 4 is also part of the graph. So when you substitute 0, 4, then you will have 4 equals to a x, which is 0, minus 2 square. That will give a times 4, is it? So a equals to 1. If a equals to 1, then the vertex form will be y equals to x minus 2 square. But when the question is asking y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, which is the standard form, okay, so what you need to do is just to expand into y equals to x squared minus 4x plus 4. That is the standard form. Okay, how about the second one? For the second one, you begin with the vertex a x minus h, but in this case negative 5 comma negative 1, right? So x plus 5 square, correct? And then minus 1, right? Correct. So another point that is also on the graph is negative 4 comma negative 2. So what should we do? Just substitute it to the equation that you have, which is minus 2, in this case the y, right? A x, in this case negative 4 plus 5 square minus 1. What will you have? On the left, minus 2 plus 1, right? This negative 1 go to the left, okay? And then a in the bracket 1 square, right? So a equals to negative 1. Correct? Okay, if a equals to negative 1, then the vertex form will be negative x plus 5 bracket square minus 1, and the standard form will be y equals to, in the bracket, x square plus 10x plus 25 minus 1. Or you can say y equals to minus x square minus 10x minus 26. That will be the standard form. So again, standard form, this will be their standard form. Okay, so let's continue to see another example. Now, the following curve all have equations of the form y equals to x squared plus bx plus c. Note that you still have a, but a equals to 1 in this case, right? In each case, find the value of b and c. Okay, so you are given only one point, which is the vertex. How to do that? Okay, so this problem actually easier than before. Look at this. We begin from the vertex form, so y equals to a, but a in this case 1, right? So x minus h squared. So we have 3, 1, right? So x minus 3, correct? Square plus 1. And then you just expand the bracket. Y equals to x squared minus 6x, remember, plus 9 in the bracket plus 1. Then you will have y equals to x squared minus 6x plus 10. That will answer the B and the C, which B equals to negative 6 and C equals to 10. This is for part I. Okay, how about part II? Let me write it here. Okay, so in part II, you also given the vertex, right? Negative 1, negative 1. So the vertex form is y equals to, since a equals to 1, correct? According to this, right? So in the bracket x plus 1, close bracket square, and then minus 1. Now, second, we need to expand, right? Y equals to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Very good. And then minus 1. So what will you have? Y equals to x squared plus 2x plus 0, because plus 1 minus 1, right? Okay, so that's it. So what will be the B and the C? In this case, it has B only, sir. Yes, it has B equals to 2, but the C is not exist, meaning the C equals to 0. Okay, so that will be the solution. Okay, I hope you learned something from it.